so sweet.
Oh boy.
Say, hey, I'm here.
Oh boy.
Una kure frimo. Welcome to the night show. You like my dress? Me and Issy will come be like Mr. and Mrs. Night show don't start. Me and Nedu don't sit down. But Nedu they one corner like this. He they prepare to bring una the news. And when we bring the news finish, we go market small. When we come back, hey, our studio don't full. The army what we go use today, hey, no be come. But face of us, make we join the room. No, I can't in the room. I large in the room. I am good news and onion. Me. And from then on, show ya and the cake continue. Stay with us. It's a young lady. Nedu.
Una, good evening and welcome to the short Tori on top the night show for today. Will be March 17, 2015. Check your time with spiritual eye. You go see, say, 8 o'clock, don't wear leggings. With the ready show, catwalk like a giruka. Katum, if you don't, Katum, take a pass at 8 o'clock. My name, Nedu. For my very first story for this evening, Goats Allied Association of Nigeria, GAN, don't come outside the now, on the bigger, they even tackle on top of the matter of the things when you be say they vex them. What if this thing where the vex go to them? We make them the tackle so we hear say them president, what did they call comrade Big Billy the Goat, aka BBG. Don't come outside the con the para. Some of the members, they match leg on top them constitution, them law book. For the part where it talks, say, make any goat no support any political party for this election will go happen for March 28, 2015, will be next week. So, God Billy the Goat one that they see on top TV so still here and they say, according to the constitution, where they for section 8, subsection 5.2 for 5.2M, and they say, make any goat, whether black, brown, white, turquoise green, or even goat where they use them say what mission screen where them bleach. Make any of them, no join hand for things where concern political matter. They can even talk yourself, say, even those with the Nigeria here and those where they diaspora, meaning say goat where they outside Nigeria, make one of them took hand for things where concern election. And then still on top of election matter, the joint body where they call Mosquitoes Association of Nigeria, man, Lagos chapter, don't pack themselves, go block 3rd Million Bridge. They shout, we not go agree, yeah, we not go agree. We not go agree, yeah, we not go agree. With a placard where they hold for hand, they do protest. With him make them do this protest, you do. We hear say they come outside the call here and they say them not agree. They not agree for this country. Them second what they call Janto Fubu or Latunu, aka the Beast. Come outside the call here and they say, then they do this protest because of say plan their ground now and then don't see the plan. Say people don't want to make them chook their hand, take a vote for election. For this matter, the young say, done they beg with election jump body. Say make them give them PVC. Make them give them PVC. But if you PSF, they not see talk of even PVC. We come make them they shout, say since independence, then don't do this country. Government don't come, government don't go. Them see this country. Therefore, nobody, nobody go disenfranchise them. Say them not go vote for this next week election. And then for my very last story, for this evening where we did so, we don't hear now say, Unmarried Girls Association of Nigeria, UGAN. Don't come outside the now, on the yarn give a federal government. Say, I beg, don't I let do and nebi. Joe, Tinyo Niba Joe, Biko no, I wanna Biko. Say, make the federal government, make them put a ban in, make them put serious ban on top fake nyash. Sorry, fake bum. Where guys they used to take for deceived men, where make the men not deceive them at all to take for even do girlfriend or boyfriends, talk of even to marry. President for this jump body, what they call it, Teresa, aka Agadi Gwenka, come outside the call ya and they say, not be say them bad at all, they still get small bum. What's the thing where they spoil the market, be say, all these guys they go wear fake nyash, sorry, fake bum, we go make this man not zero the game. Still on top of this matter, before the federal government put a ban in to take for advice men, the president antitesi, aka Agade Kwenka, come outside the con the advice men. Say as it go be now for men, for you to no guess where they fake nyash. It's not too hard. Carry needle whenever they go club. Any girl will dance with you, will come back, give you. Check out the needle for bum. If you shout Jesus, tell them sorry. If you not shout Jesus, make you know say na fake. Can I go for Canesa? Say make it engage them 40-40. Una Shook Eye for today for that show. Now don't throw away giving us so. My name is Nedu. Good evening.
Nedu, thank you so much. Easy we can give us small sweet music and then we can come back and when we come back, we can enter our element very well.